discuss 3 passive income strategies for beginners. So without much waste of our time, number 1, ebook publishing. Guys, this is a secret gold mine. So if you've not started publishing yet, you need to start. And if you don't know where to start from, invest in your Canva, invest in OpenAI or ChatGPT, and they'll give you directions. Again, remember, Amazon is not the only place where you can publish your books. You can also publish with Apple. Number 2, blogging. Again, I've not made millions out of my blogging, and it's a hustle I'm still trying to perfect. But I just got monetized recently by Google AdSense, and I'm still trying to make sense of how to place my adverts to maximize or to yield better payment. Number 3, become a social media influencer, or become a social media influencer / monetize your social media platforms. That's why we're on YouTube. I'm sure that's why maybe you came across my video. If you have not started monetizing your social media platform and you used to go to social media every day and be watching all the gossip news and be spending 3 hours and be laughing, if you don't have a job and you're looking for a job, I hope you know that if you put effort into your Instagram and Facebook, you can grow it in a few months. So guys, draw up a plan and start monetizing your social media space. First, we spoke about ebook publishing. If you're looking for ideas on what to publish about, you can start from your life story. If you don't have a life story, you can start from things that you're passionate about. If you don't have anything you're passionate about, you can speak about your job. You can speak about your hobbies. You can speak about abstract things. You never can tell what will sell. So start publishing that book today and put in the efforts and start making some passive income on the side. Thank you for joining me.